Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and I have an unboxing today from a company called Beachy, Beachly. And here's the box, and I think I'm supposed to actually be getting two boxes. I'm not really for sure if maybe they put it all in one, but basically Beachy is a subscription of beach-inspired things. It could be clothes, it could be home decor, just whatever. And I've kind of been watching them for a little bit, and I've been really curious about it. And so I went ahead and I'm trying them out this month. I don't know if I'm going to continue. I don't know if I can afford to continue every month, but we'll see. But let's see how this thing opens. For just a newbie, you got not just one package, but you got another. Okay, here we go. See, look. Beachy. Everything beach. You know, that's stuff I like. Okay. So we start out, and we have this catalog. And you could purchase stuff over there separately. You don't have to do a subscription. I think you do have to do a subscription in order to be able to go and purchase in their store. I'm not really sure about that. I'll have to read up on that and find out for sure. But this is their winter catalog. All kinds of fun things in there. Look at that later. All right. And by the way, I got to choose. Used to, from what I understand, they just sent you whatever, okay? But I actually got to choose between A or B, sometimes A, B, or C. Let's see what this is. Okay, this may be my extra thing because it's got several items in here. So that's what I'm thinking. Oh my goodness. I love their packaging. All right. Yes, this right here was my, This is interesting. I didn't pick out any of this stuff. So this is extra. We'll look at this in a minute. Let's set this aside. I want to get into the box itself. Okay, first thing we're going to look at is this shirt. And I picked out mostly something to wear. I love clothes. And I usually shop at a store called Bells of Florida. So in fact, this is a top that I got there. Isn't it cute? And everything is beach inspired, cruise related. All right. So we have a little sleeveless top. I thought this would be great for my cruise to wear maybe over my bathing suit. I don't normally wear sleeveless. In fact, I will never wear sleeveless out and about going shopping or whatever. My arms are not the best. But this would make a great cover up. All right. Let's see what the next thing is here. Still trying to get over this cold. And this is another little sleeveless top. And, see how thin it is? But this would be great, like I said, to put over your bathing suit. Let's look at the back. I love that. And then in the front, here it says, if found, please turn to Hawaii. I've never been to Hawaii. It's on my bucket list. So I can't really say if I really wanted to be returned to Hawaii. Maybe I want to return to Florida. That's my home. Right now I'm living in Louisiana, but I would like to go back to my home someday. Got to go where the job is though. But this is cute. This is really cute. And again, it's something that I would wear over my bathing suit. All right. Now this, I'm excited about these next two pieces. By the way, I signed up for one-time shipping. Now, if I don't want it anymore, I do have to go back in there and turn the shipping off for next time, which they go, it's every quarter, so you'll get this 4 times a year. It's the seasons, winter, spring, summer, fall. Oh, look at this. And everything I got is a medium, and I'm glad I did this. Because these are kind of, I probably could have had a small, but I want something that was oversized. Oh, I like that a lot. And it's very soft. And my husband's taking me out for lunch. I may change. I may wear this. Although, I think it's 66 degrees out there. To me, that's cold. I just wouldn't have to wear a jacket. Okay, this next thing. Oh, well, maybe I'll wear this. Sun, sand, and surf. Like I said, I'm glad I got the medium. Probably could wear smalls. But everything's oversized. Now, it's a little short, so we'll have to see how that works. And it, oh, so soft. Oh, I love this. Okay. I'll leave information on the cost and all that stuff down in the description box. I believe it was like $99 something plus shipping and tax. Now, if you sign up for a full year, it's quite a bit less. I think it's like $89 something, and you get free shipping. So that's pretty good. What is this? The Great Barrier Cream Fortifying Moisturizer. Hydrates and fortifies skin. It's natural barrier. Blue screen. It's got blue algae and sea kelp. Let's see. Now, I have to be careful with a lot of creams and makeup and just all kinds of stuff like that, because I'm allergic to a lot of the stuff that's in it. Okay, I don't smell any fragrance. I got a cold, so I don't know if that's accurate or not, but let me see. I think it's cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free. Here you go. I hope you can see that. I cannot focus on all of that. Let me try a little bit here on the back of my hand. I don't smell anything, so I'm wondering if it's fragrance free, which is great because that's one of the things I'm actually allergic to pretty badly. Okay, so that's the Great Barrier Reef Cream by Kula. All right, what's this? Oh, yes, the lip balm. This is going to be great. I wonder if okay, SPF 15. I'll be taking this on my cruise for sure. I need some new stuff. See, this is tropical citrus, unscented, and island mint. I like mint. So this will be good. To put that in my cruise packing area. Okay. I got one more thing here before we get into that other package. Oh, I remember this. Yeah. So this is a palm tree. It has everything you need. It's a sprouting kit. Palm tree seeds, growing pot, grow medium, plant, feed, and instructions. Everything's in there. That'll be interesting. So I'm going to grow myself a palm tree. Kind of anxious to see how that's going to work out. Get these all in here. Like I said, this was less than $100. Now, you know, by the time you pay shipping and tax and all that stuff, it was a little over $100. But let's see what we have in this package. And I'm not for sure. I don't think this is the other thing I had, because I picked out, I'll have to look. Maybe that is everything. Oh, we have a nice little scarf, which I don't really wear scarves that much. I might wear this one, though. This might be fun to have on the cruise. I could wear it like this. If it get a little chilly. Look, it's big enough I could actually wrap up in it. All right, what is this? A firm antioxidant firming serum. I know I need that. Something weird was on my computer. All right, let's see what we have here. Cosmetics. And Be Sun Smart always recommends, cosmetic always recommends daily use of a sunscreen to protect skin against sun sensitivity. I don't think this is a sunscreen. They're just saying you need to do that. Apply a small amount to freshly cleanse and tone skin. Perfect for day and night. Follow with recommended moisturizer and daily sunscreen. Let's see. It'll be interesting. So it's a daytime or a nighttime. Oh, here's the ingredients. I can't really see them. I'll have to look at that. Well, let's see. Let's see if I can detect any fragrance. Yeah, it does have a little bit of fragrance to it. I can't figure out what that is, though. But, wait a minute. All right, let's see what we have next. Earth Harbor Glow On Kit. Balance and Energy. Look what that is. Now, besides this kit, Beachy does have a cosmetic kit. And I think they're probably trying to get me, they sent me some samples to see if maybe I might like them. This is a Nutrient Glow Moisturizer, Refining Enzyme Mask. Can't tell what that is. Let's see if it says. Glow Juice, Luna Rain, Phyto Resurfing Night Serum. Okay, so we have a night serum. We have a refining enzyme mask. And then Marina is a biome brightening something another. And then Mermaid Milk. Nutrient Glow Moisturizer. Well, this is interesting. I'll have to check that out. Let you know what I think. And this is actually... I'm kind of excited about this. I've been wanting to try these. Have you ever tried any of these? It is a Firms and Brightens, it says. Jade facial roller and some type of a tool. Do you know what that is? Let me know if you know what that is. Like I said, I'm not much into hair and makeup, as you can tell. So this is, I mean, I don't wear hardly any makeup at all because I can't wear eye makeup. I'm allergic to it. I always break out whenever I put mascara on. And that's used to, that's all I ever wore was mascara. Let's see. Okay, hang on a sec. All right, I got everything out. We have this guy, and then we have this. And they do have instructions for both of them. For this, the facial roller, lightly grasp the roller and keeping your wrist close to your face. Gently massage stiff muscles around the jaw and forehead. You know, I have TMJ. Sometimes my jaw locks up. This might be really good for it. Ooh, it's cold. Anyway, so that's that. What is this? Oh. I'm reading that and looks like French. Okay, this, the gua sha, pairs perfectly with your serums and oils to boost skin's firmness and luminosity. As you're gliding it across your face, you'll gently stimulate the skin to promote long-lasting beauty. All right, so I'm trying on the clothes. Ooh, this is so soft. Really good quality, I'll have to say. I don't know what it's made out of, but it makes me just want to snuggle. And it is a little short, but it's definitely not too short. I like the length of it. So that's this. Let me try this one on now. And then there's this one. Again, this is really soft. This is more of a sweatshirt. The other one was more of a sweater. And this one's a little bit longer. But, I mean, there's plenty of room. Like I said, I could have probably worn a small. But I like the way the medium fits. I like the oversize. I got to figure out which one I'm going to wear. Got to take the tags off. But I just looked at the price. This is normally, and I would never pay this for it. I'm cheap. This is normally a $138 sweater. That's a lot of money. Let me see. Do the rest of them have tags? They do have tags. I don't see how much. Now, when I did pick out what I wanted, you could see the retail price of them. So I've decided to wear this one for sure. And, oh, there was one other thing that was in there. Fell out of the box when I picked it up. Are these earrings. By the way, you probably hear kids in the background. My husband just got home and they love Grandpa. Oh, those are kind of fun. And Grandpa is here to pick me up for lunch. So I'm going to finish getting ready, wearing my new sweater. And I guess tomorrow I'll check out all this cosmetic. Funny thing is, I actually am in the market for some new makeup, and I'm wanting to change the line I'm using. And let me know what you use that you like. I don't really have oily or dry skin. Everything's pretty much normal. I'm 64, almost 65. So I've got older skin, wrinkles and all that kind of stuff. But I don't like a full coverage. So anyway, let me know what you think of this Beachy. But I am really pleased with everything. By the way, look at the back of this. It's got a seam here. It's very detailed. Anyway, that was my husband coming to get me. So I'm off to lunch. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.